Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin, Global Account Manager from Lenovo. Back again, I got another unboxing video. This time today I'm opening up the first of my battle kit. So just to talk a little bit about this, so all Lenovo's field sales reps all get access to a battle kit where they send us all the new products. Just like I'm a Kirby salesman back from the day, you gotta have something to show off to your customers to know what they're getting. So they send us all samples of products. So this is the first of my battle kit products that I'm getting for this year. Last year I had great access to the ThinkPad P1, which was this amazing workstation laptop that I'm selling a ton of, which is great. And then also the ThinkStation P330 small workstation, which is very interesting, great solution from Lenovo. But this is the first of the new products, which is actually our Lenovo X1 Carbon. Believe it or not, it's a 6th gen. So I'm using the 5th gen as my personal laptop. So let's see how the packaging looks from the Lenovo team, how the battle kits are going to work. So let's see what they sent me. Okay, so this is the battle kit packaging from Lenovo. Looks like they put it in a neoprene case. They're going to want this back next year, so they said don't damage it too bad. So it looks like there's something in the pocket here. Let's see what the first item is. Okay, so it's just the AC adapter, 65 watt in the Carbon. And then neoprene case here, slides out. So of course this is our X1 Carbon, incredibly thin and light device. You look at it like this, it's let's see how much this thing weighs. So 2.5 pounds. I remember we made a big deal a few generations ago. We got it under 3 pounds. Now it's under 2.5 pounds. Incredibly thin and light travel device. I love this. It's my own personal device. Let's see if it'll boot up or not. Sometimes you have to plug these in first time. Yeah, so this one, I've talked about this in the past. You have to plug it in. I don't have the cables ready, but for those of you not familiar with the X1 Carbon, it is our executive class. It does now come in touch. It does have the security features like the shutter guard built in. Let's look at the ports quick. It's got the typical 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt on the side here, USB 3, HDMI, and the headphone jack. Nothing on the back, nothing on the bottom. And then on this side, you get the power button and another USB 3 and Kensington lock. That's it, built into the device. It's got 15 hours of battery life. They keep making that better and better. 14-inch screen, of course, and 2.5 pounds. And with these, you can get the optional LTE built in, which is a great functionality if you want to hook it up to any of your, for WAN, sometimes it's called, or LTE. You can get that built in and get it open up. It's always on, instant, ready to go. So that's it. Just a quick look at the first device coming to me in my battle kit. More devices on the way, but thanks everybody for joining me today, taking a look at the X1 Carbon, and we'll check you guys next time. Thanks everybody. Bye.